Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Before we begin, inspect the Jacky Gadget and confirm the 12V battery reads 12.6 volts. Check that the housing is intact and there are no loose screws. Wear safety goggles and gloves and work on a flat surface free of clutter. Keep children and pets away and disconnect other electronics to avoid interference. Locate the power port on the back and the 3.5mm control jack on the side. Find the latch release on the base so you can open the device safely. Start setup by plugging the supplied 12V adapter into a grounded outlet and the device. Verify the indicator LED turns solid green within 5 seconds. Attach the 3.5mm control cable firmly to the jack until it clicks into place. Place the gadget on a stable surface with at least 3.5 inches clearance on all sides. Press the power button for 2 seconds to start the initialization sequence. Wait until the status LED blinks blue twice before proceeding with controls or attachments. To operate, use the main dial to set output between 0 and 100%. Confirm the display shows the chosen percentage and that the fan spins smoothly. For timed runs, use the timer button and set durations up to 2 hours. Clean the removable mesh filter monthly using a soft brush and warm water, then air dry fully. Replace the filter every 12 months or after 100 hours of heavy use. Store the unit upright in a dry area and recharge the battery after each use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.